Brady provides the tools you need to keep your employees protected. Introducing Twist and Secure Safety Covers. They temporarily prevent access to machine start and emergency stop buttons in no time. Use Twist and Secure covers on a wide range of control buttons and switches. They fit all standard control buttons with a variety of covers and bases. The low-profile bases require a simple one-time installation. Your equipment operator or maintenance team then apply the versatile covers over the buttons they want to secure. And the durable covers are tinted red, so you'll know at a glance that the control button is safely secured from operation. Continued innovation. From the global leader in comprehensive equipment safety solutions. Visit Brady online for more information.